This video is to show how almost anything can be turned into a weapon. So you have your simple Nerf gun here, right? But look at that. Pins in the Nerf gun, and these things have some compression here. So I'm going to show you about how far I'm shooting from. Here's my little target that I made. And as you can see, I mean, this thing, you would not want to get hit with it. So I am shooting, I don't know, about, I'd say 10 feet or so. All right, so we're going to turn around. I'm going to take aim. That one went high. I'm going to try to hit the target for you guys. Boom. All right, now we're going to follow that. Yeah, you really wouldn't want that to get in you.